Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you facing something went wrong, server error occurred problem? Here's the solution. Firstly, put your mobile phone on airplane mode for few seconds. After this, long press on the app, tap on I icon. Now, click on storage uses, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page, click on force stop, click on force stop. After this, turn off the toggle disable mode, disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. After this, turn it off again after 30 seconds. Now open the Play Store app and update this app if not. And yeah, that's it.